Ever looked at your tech gadgets and thought they could use a little upgrade? Today, we're diving into fantastic ways to use duct tape to enhance your devices with just a few simple hacks. Duct tape isn't just for repairs, it's a versatile tool that can elevate your everyday tech. Whether you need to organize your cables or improve your device grip, these hacks will simplify your life and boost your tech's functionality. 1. Let's start with those messy cables. Wrap a bit of duct tape around the base of your cords to keep them bundled. This tidies things up and prevents tangling. You can even color code your cords with different duct tape colors too. Does your phone ever slip from your hand? Just cut a small piece of duct tape and stick it to the back of your phone. This gives you a better grip and helps prevent drops. Trust me, it's a total game changer. 3. Need a quick laptop stand? Fold a piece of duct tape into a triangle and place it under the back of your laptop. This raises the screen for better visibility and comfort while typing, improving your posture in the process. 4. Are your headphones always getting tangled? Grab a piece of duct tape and stick it to your desk. Then, wrap your headphones around it. This keeps them organized and untangled, saving you time and frustration. 5. If you have small scratches on your screen, clear duct tape can work wonders. Just place it over the scratched area to reduce visibility. While it's not a permanent fix, it can definitely help in a pinch. You don't need fancy tools to try these hacks. Just grab a roll of duct tape and follow these easy steps. 1. Choose your project cables, phone grip, or laptop stand. 2. Cut the tape to the size you need. 3. Stick it on and enjoy the benefits. Quick heads up, when using duct tape, avoid applying it to delicate surfaces, as it can leave a sticky residue. Also, make sure not to cover any vents on your devices, as that could lead to overheating. And there you have it. 5 super simple duct tape hacks to enhance your tech experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun hacks and tips. Have you used duct tape in creative ways? Share your ideas in the comments. Hey there, gadget lovers. Ever faced a frustrating tech issue? Grab your roll of duct tape, because today we're diving into some quick fixes that can elevate your gadgets using this everyday hero. Duct tape isn't just for fixing leaks or sealing boxes, it's a powerhouse for tech repairs and upgrades. By using it creatively, you can enhance your devices, save some cash, and simplify your life. Plus, who doesn't love a good DIY hack? 1. Are your phone chargers starting to fray? Wrap some duct tape around those vulnerable spots. This simple trick adds protection and can help extend the life of your cables too. Ever lost your remote? Wrap some bright duct tape around it. Not only does it give your remote a unique look, but it also makes it much easier to find when it disappears under the couch. 3. Tired of tangled cords? Cut strips of duct tape and stick them to the back of your desk to create a simple cable organizer. Attach your wires to the tape, and voila, no more mess. 4. If you have gadgets that tend to get scratched, like tablets or wearables, adding a layer of duct tape can help. Just cut a piece to fit and stick it on the back. It's a quick way to keep your devices looking fresh. 5. Got slippery devices, like gaming controllers? Wrap some duct tape around the grips for better traction. It's an easy fix to prevent your gadgets from slipping out of your hands. 1. Grab your duct tape and a pair of scissors. 2. Choose the gadget you want to upgrade or fix. 3. Follow the tips we just discussed, customizing each method to fit your needs. 4. Get creative. Use colorful or patterned duct tape to add a personal touch. Don't use too much tape, you want to enhance, not cover everything. Be careful not to block any vents or openings that need airflow. Test the adhesive on a small area first to ensure it won't damage your device. So there you have it. 5 quick and easy ways to upgrade your tech gadgets with just duct tape. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hacks, and share your own duct tape magic in the comments below. Hey everyone! Did you know duct tape is more than just a repair tool? Today, we're diving into 5 amazing ways to enhance your tech gadgets with it. You'll be surprised at how easy it is. So, why should you care? Duct tape is something we all have at home. Instead of tossing out gadgets that just need a little TLC, you can quickly fix them with this simple tool. It's a smart way to simplify your life and save some cash. 1. Tired of tangled charging cables? Grab some duct tape to whip up a quick cable organizer. Just cut a strip and stick it to the edge of your desk. Attach your cables, and voila, your workspace is neat in no time too. Got a scratched screen? No worries. You can make a DIY screen protector with duct tape. Cut a piece to size and carefully stick it over the screen. It may not be perfect, but it'll help prevent further damage. 3. Do your gadgets slip from your hands? Use duct tape to add some grip. Wrap a strip around the edges of your phone or tablet for a secure hold. 4. Always misplacing your remote? Use duct tape to attach it to your favorite spot on the couch or the side of your coffee table. Say goodbye to digging under the cushions. 5. Need a quick stand for your tablet or phone? Fold a piece of duct tape into a triangle and stick it to the back of your device. It'll hold it up perfectly for watching videos or making video calls. Get your duct tape, scissors, and the gadgets you want to fix. Pick an idea that suits your needs, maybe the cable organizer or the screen protector. Use the instructions I just shared, and you'll be amazed at how simple it is. Be careful with the screen protector. Ensure it adheres well without damaging your device. Your screen is clean before applying it to avoid trapping dirt. Don't use too much tape for grips. You want your devices to look sleek. Remember, while duct tape is strong,